Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment information could not be updated on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your payment method has not been updated or your payment information has not been updated, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. After that, go back, open your settings app, go to general, and here go to VPN device management. Just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply go back from here and go to date and time section. Enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to language and region. Select region and select your own region in which you're living. Go back and here go to software update. Just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixing this step and you will not get the issue again. So after doing this, I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to open your Apple Store app or your Apple Store. And here you just have to tap on the profile option at the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. After that, just select country or region option from here. And here you have to select your own country region in which you're living. Or if you already added your Apple Pay or your payment method, so go to manage payments and just try to remove your previous payment method. Then go back, go to your country region section. Just select your own country or region in which you're living or the country or region which you have just selected with your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm going to select this one from here, then tap on continue option and then tap on agree at the top right. Now you have to add your payment method. You can re-add the same payment method, or you can also try to add a different payment method. Add your billing address, your phone number, then your name, and after all, just tap on done option at the top right, and your payment method will be updated. Or if you're facing the issue that your payment method is still not updated, so you can try to check for your credit or debit card if it has been expired or not. If you might say that your card has been expired, so try to contact with card insurer, or you can also try to contact with Apple Store team to get official help. Now to do this, simply open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store. You can use Apple Store web. Select iPhone from here, select subscription, then purchases, then select update payment method, and here just wait for the loading, and then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.